morning, and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Sunkees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online.
Good morning, everybody. As we head into the Thanksgiving weekend, I thought it would be a good time for us to reflect on how lucky we are in Victoria for all the many things that we have and are enjoying. We have our school, we have our family, and much, much more. I found this little video that you might like, and I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend and you have a chance to spend it with family and be grateful for all the things we have.
Everybody gets a heart, everybody gets a soul, everybody gets a mind to let them know that we can be smart, and we can be kind, and we can be living by giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. Everybody gets the land, and everybody gets a seed. So everybody lend a hand to those in need. 'Cause we can be nice,
We can be nice.
we can all share, and we can keep growing together. It's better when everyone cares. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for. Yeah, we've got a lot to be thankful for. So, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family.
I am thankful for my neighbor.
I'm thankful for my dog. I'm thankful for the food I have to eat. I'm thankful for my heart.
I am thankful for my grandma and grandpa.
I'm thankful for my teacher. I am thankful for my house. We're thankful for the earth.
So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, well, let's be thankful for our friends and family and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Let's be generous to anyone who has less than us. It's good to be compassionate, 'cause ever since the day you were born, yeah, you got a lot to be thankful for.
Thankful.
Yeah, you've got a lot to be thankful for.
Grateful. Mr. Bowers, are there any announcements?
So, we didn't want to make this sort of a short event. We want to sort of drag it out so they're feeling the pressure. So there's the story of the three little bears, right? How does it go? Little bear tries the porridge. Too cold.
I don't want that.
Middle bear says it's too warm, too hot. And the Papa Bear says it's just right. So we're going to try and make that sort of situation just right for Mr. Holton. So starting off, and the deal was that if money were raised to the amount of 6,000, the three of us would get dumped with cold ice. So I'm going to go through the first part, and then we'll hand it over to Mr. Holton.
This sounds cold. Sounds really cold.
Oh, yeah, that's tight. I hope you don't get your
Use a stirring stick, make it nice and cold. So I'm the baby bear, and it's just right. No, it's too cold. Just that little bucket's cold. Everybody stir? Let's go. Okay. Now, the two staff, they donated and they were selected out of a hat, so they get the prize of dumping over Mrs. There you go. Stay still, Mrs. On three. One. Let's count.
to support the Terry Fox run. It was worth it, and I'm freezing, but thank you everyone for doing this, and it was pretty fun on a sunny day. Mr. Bowers! Stop! Tuck your shirt in. You know better than that.
Why do I have to tuck my shirt tucked in, Mrs. Bigelow?
Because you don't look like a
Oh
GNS
gosh,
student.
do I have to tuck my shirt in, Mrs. Bigelow?
GNS students take pride in how they look.
Oh, we gotta
they
take
have
pride.
their shirts
Okay.
tucked in, they have their ties done properly,
Oh,
and they
so
look like they love the school
Oh.
as much as they do.
Oh, is that look smart, feel smart, Mrs.
Look smart, feel smart.
Look smart, feel smart. Oh, I feel so much smarter now.
And you look so much better.
I'm
Time
off
for
to
you
class.
To go to class.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, and have a great Thanksgiving weekend, everybody.